mold and dust buildup, compatible with eco-sources like transforms facade construction with a mortar-free system using interlocking high-density polyethylene connectors. Like Lego for bricks, it enables quick, weather-independent assembly without skilled labor. This eco-friendly method reduces water use, cuts carbon emissions, and allows components to be reused up to 5 times. It's ideal for energy-efficient, sustainable buildings, offering superior insulation and adaptability for modern construction needs.
Feel like taking over.
Is a lightweight, high-strength deck foundation made from recycled materials. Each block supports up to 1,700 pounds and suits various joist and post sizes. It eliminates the need for digging concrete or leveling, allowing for fast, stable installations even on uneven ground. Ventilated undersides prevent moisture buildup, making it ideal for quick and sustainable decking projects at ground level. Ceiling heating. NatureBo's ceiling heating system uses radiant clay plaster and water-based mats to deliver energy-efficient warmth from above. It provides draft-free infrared heat that lowers energy bills and supports indoor air quality. The clay plaster also regulates humidity, preventing mold and dust buildup. Compatible with eco-sources like solar or heat pumps, it's a silent, low-maintenance solution ideal for allergy-sensitive homes and modern interiors.
The pressure of the outside. Come to me. Let me help you. 'Cause I just can't stay here. Let me guide you. 'Cause there ain't no way. To the pressure of the outside. Feel like taking over. Let me guide you till we find no way. The light. 5.
Resin-bound surfacing. Vuba resin-bound surfacing blends natural aggregates with UV-stable resin to create a porous, flood-resistant outdoor surface. Ideal for paths, driveways, and patios, it's available in various textures like granite or marble. Durable and eco-conscious, it supports foot and vehicle traffic while meeting drainage regulations. Simple to install and maintain, it provides lasting beauty and strength with minimal environmental impact.
Feel to the pressure of the outside. Come to me. Let me help you revive the light. Let me help you revive. Let me guide you.
Craftsmack Labs Masonry Robot. The Craftsmack Masonry Robot automates wall construction with AI and precision hardware. It builds faster than human workers, interpreting plans to lay blocks, handle openings, and apply mortar. With compact, mobile design and advanced vision systems, it navigates job sites easily. Its ability to paint and adapt tasks makes it a versatile construction tool, reducing labor dependency while ensuring consistent build quality and speed.
'Cause there ain't no way, no way. 'Cause I just can't stay here, stagnant under pressure. There ain't no way to the pressure of the outside. Feel like taking over.
Fatrastep. Fatrastep multifunctional tiles are made of durable polypropylene via injection molding. Designed for outdoor use, they resist UV rays, chemicals, and weather changes without warping. These non-slip tiles feature a smart locking system and a vented underside for drainage. Easily installed without adhesives, they're perfect for patios, pool areas, and garden paths, offering easy maintenance and a solid barrier against surface damage.
Come to me, let me help revive the light. Feel like taking over. I just can't stay here, stagnant under pressure. Let me guide you.
Tire pavers turn recycled tires and plastics into durable, eco-conscious paving solutions. These interlocking tiles are easy to install and resist stains, cracks, and wear. They come in various styles and are perfect for patios, decks, and walkways. Consuming 95% less energy than concrete alternatives, they help reduce carbon emissions while offering aesthetic flexibility and exceptional strength for residential or commercial spaces.
Feel to the pressure of the outside. Let me help you to revive the light.
Pave and Go. Pave and Go features porcelain stoneware tiles with interlocking polyurethane bases for easy, adhesive-free installation. Designed for speed and durability, tiles click together to form a walkable surface instantly. They're strong enough for high-traffic commercial areas and can be placed over gravel, screed, or existing floors. Slip-resistant and low-maintenance, the tiles can be easily replaced, offering a sustainable, modular solution for modern flooring.
Go to the pressure. I just can't stay stagnant under pressure. Let me guide to the pressure of no way. Let me guide you go to the pressure of the outside.
Blaster. The Typhoon Sandblaster combines high-powered pressure washing with sandblasting, ideal for cleaning concrete, metal, or wood. Powered by a 4,000 psi Kohler engine, it features a 50-pound sand hopper and dust-free water sand mixing. Lightweight and portable with 12-inch wheels, it doesn't need an air compressor. Its dual-function versatility simplifies stripping paint or grime, making it efficient for heavy-duty cleaning jobs.
Pressure of the outside. 'Cause there ain't no way. Go to the pressure of the outside. Come to me. Let me help you. 'Cause
And lift. Build and Lift simplifies roofing by assembling structures on the ground and lifting them into place. This eliminates dangerous high-altitude work and scaffolding, increasing safety and reducing labor. Once installed, the roof provides instant weather protection for interior work. Designed by carpenter Neil Joseph Coote, the patented method speeds up construction and cuts site time, offering a safer, faster alternative to traditional roofing.
let me guide you to
Ceramitex. Containex. Containex modular containers offer versatile spaces for offices, schools, or showrooms. Made with insulated sandwich panels and steel frames, they include wiring, lighting, and climate options. Easily stackable and delivered flat pack, these units can be installed quickly and adapted with partition walls, restrooms, or security features. Their durability, flexibility, and cost efficiency make them ideal for fast, scalable construction across industries.
To the pressure of the outside. Come to me. Let me help you revive. Let me guide you to revive the light. Let me guide you to revive the light. 'Cause there ain't no way. Feel like taking over. 'Cause there ain't no way. No way. Felt to the pressure of the outside. Let me come to me, help you. 'Cause I just can't stay here. Stagnant under pressure. Let me guide you. 'Cause there ain't no way. To the pressure of the outside. Feel like taking over. Let me help. 'Cause there ain't no way. No way.
Tensor AX5GN. Tensor AX5GN is a triaxial geogrid designed to reinforce asphalt, reduce cracking, and extend pavement life. Its thermally bonded grid integrates with asphalt layers, distributing loads and improving flexibility. It enhances fatigue resistance and reduces asphalt thickness needs. Compatible with traditional paving equipment, it's ideal for roads, highways, and racetracks, offering significant long-term savings and improved performance under heavy or slow-moving traffic.
No way. Felt to the pressure of the outside. Come to me. Let me help you revive the light. Felt to the pressure of the outside. Come to me.
Ceramitex panels are advanced sintered ceramic facades created through high heat, high pressure processes. They're lightweight yet durable, resisting UV, water, mold, fire, and extreme weather. With large 5x10 feet panels and a hidden fastening system, they reduce seams while offering aesthetic flexibility. Fully recyclable and free of harmful compounds, Ceramitex is a modern, sustainable choice for high-rises, institutions, and commercial architecture needing resilient, elegant cladding.
Stagnant under pressure.